Happening today, Lincoln University's Board of Curators Committee is set to meet to discuss renovating Dawson Hall. ABC 17's Gabrielle Tyner is live from Lincoln University this morning. And Gabrielle, according to the agenda, this meeting will approve the budget for the renovations.
Erica, the Lincoln University Board of Curators committees are going to meet here at Young Hall today at 3 p.m. to talk about the Dawson Hall renovation project, which has been a topic of discussion for quite some time now. We have been reporting on this for well over a year now, and according to the university, the project cannot exceed $17 million. Back in September of 2022, the board approved for the school to seek out bids to renovate the residence hall. S.M. Wilson & Co. were chosen to manage the building's renovations. Dawson Hall is the largest residence hall on campus. The new construction will make the residence hall compliant with the Americans with Disabilities Act and have 364 rooms. Dorm rooms on each floor of the 10-story building will be renovated. Shared bathrooms on each floor will also be updated to fit ADA standards. However, the entire Board of Curators will not vote on all of these renovations until tomorrow. Reporting live in Jefferson City, Gabrielle Tyner, ABC 17 News.
All right, thank you, Gabrielle. A spokesperson from the university says they anticipate the renovations to be finished by spring of 2025.